guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Dani and this is Coffee Break with Dani, where basically the entire contents of this channel is hauls. Today I'm here with a summer fashion haul. I'm actually kind of proud of this haul and I was not planning on sharing it with you guys in this video, but I was like, it's only 10 pieces, so the video's not gonna be that long. And with JustFab, things run out really quick. So if I don't share it with you guys, then it might sell out and you won't be able to be twinning with me. And I don't like that. I love when you guys tag me in the same items that I hauled and then we're totally matching, you know, like Amber in Iowa. That's totally gonna become a hashtag. Hashtag Amber in Iowa. Okay, so if you guys are unfamiliar, I have been partnered up with JustFab for, I would say 2 years now, maybe a year. Maybe I'm being over generous, but JustFab is really cool because it's one of those online retailers that keeps you up to date on fashion, and it kind of makes it really easy for you guys. The very first time that I signed up with JustFab, and this is kind of what I've encouraged you guys to do, just so you can get a sneak peek at what you can expect from the site, is you get on the site, you take a 60-second style quiz or like fashion quiz, and it basically curates a collection for you guys with over 1,000 items from clothes to accessories to shoes. And the first time that I did it, I was like, I don't know about that, JustFab. Do you really think you know me? Because that's not something I would ever actually. And so it picked a few items that I ended up purchasing for myself, which I would have never picked for myself, and actually ended up being some of my favorites. So today I have 10 items that I want to share with you guys, and they're from the newest summer collection. So if you guys want to see what kind of collection JustFab would curate for you guys, make sure that you follow the link in the description box below, enter your email, take the quiz. It's about 60 seconds long. It's super quick. It's actually quite interesting. Now here's the scoop. Since this is a video that's in partnership with JustFab, there obviously has to be a treat at the end, right? So if you guys follow that link in the description box below and you do a little browsing after you take the style quiz, you will also get your very first item for as little as $10 or 75% off. So it's kind of an amazing deal. I still remember the very first thing that I got for 75% off. We don't need to talk about it, but I remember it well. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm working on my intros, you guys. I'm working on my intros. I get a lot of heat for how long my intros are, but I just feel like we're sitting down. I mean, it's called coffee break. You know, you're sitting down with your girlfriends, you're chatting. Here I am on a tangent again. The very first piece that I want to share with you guys is actually what I'm wearing right now. I was nervous to get this piece because you guys know I'm almost 6 feet tall, so I'm pretty tall, and mini dresses aren't always so mini on me. In fact, they turn into shirts basically, but I am a huge fan. It is a linen trench dress that I've already imagined the million different ways that I'm going to wear it. So I don't know if you guys can tell, it has really big buttons. It has a tie. It's sort of like an A-line cut. Super cute. It has this really cool double collar. The way that I imagine wearing it is the way I'm wearing it now, with probably some wedges or really cute flat slide sandals. I could probably also pull off maybe some cowboy boots or booties, but come fall, when it starts to get a little bit chilly, and fall is one of my favorite seasons, I would imagine wearing it without the belt, or rather the belt tied around back, like the loop, and then just a basic white tee, long sleeve white tee, and this opened like a vest trench, or like a sort of like a trench look, but it's sleeveless, so it's really like a long vest. And just jeans, skinny jeans. You could wear black jeans, you could wear blue jean jeans. But I really liked it. One thing though that makes me nervous about JustFab is that if you see a style, you legit have to check out in that very second, in that moment, because things sell out super quick. Which brings me to my next item. I wore this on Instagram stories the other day, and a bunch of you guys asked me where it was from. I was like, oh yeah, it's JustFab. It's from the new summer collection. It's a linen tank. It's a racer back. It's super comfy. I'm in a size small, and that night it was sold out. I'm not saying I sold it out. What I'm saying is pieces fly off the shelf fast, especially if they're from the newer collection. So if you guys really are into that summer safari, very fresh, very flowy, linen-y look, right now is the time to shop from JustFab, because that's kind of like the style theme that they have going on. So really a fan of this tank. Along with that tank, I also got this one. You guys know how I feel about leopard. Leopard everything. This is more of a satin fabric, but it's the same cut, style, and shape of that tank that I showed you guys. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's a really silky, slinky top. This would look amazing with black skinny jeans with the French tuck in the front and maybe some suede black booties, maybe sort of some biker booties. It would look really cool, kind of like a rocker chic look. You could also pair this with white denim and maybe some nude pumps, and it could be a really fun summer night out outfit that's a little more dressy. But do you guys want to know a secret? This is a public confession on the internet that I'm making on the internet. When I go to shop on the JustFab website, I go to the search bar and I put leopard and I see anything new that's leopard print that catches my eye, and then I find things like this. So if you guys are a fan of leopard print, you guys, the nanny was my hero, so she's my style inspo. Then I got this amazing midi skirt. It's in an olive shade. This would look really cool with wedges. It would look really cool with flat slides. It would look really cool with all kinds of things. In fact, I would push this outfit into fall, wear it with like a long sleeve tee, and or even like a chambray button down, and cool sandals or wedges. It would be a really cool outfit. I love the color olive. I feel like olive is the new beige, it's the new gray, it's the new white. It's a very, very loving neutral. You could pair it with a bunch of different fabrics, textures, and colors, and it goes really, really well. I love the fact also that it's midi length, because I don't have to shave my legs, just saying. All right, moving on to this dress. Now this dress is a dress that you must try on to believe me when I say it's a beautiful dress. When you look at it, you're like, that's a little frumpy dumpy, like I don't need to be churning butter right now in my dress. But it's a really, really lovely dress. The cut of it is also very all loving. So no matter what your body type is or what body size you are, it's a dress that's gonna look really pretty on everybody. I love the fact that it has the same fabric for its belt. I was gonna say bow, for its belt, so you could wear it with or without the belt. There are days where I don't wear it with the belt. I don't like the way the belt looks. I'm not in the mood to have something cinching me at the waist. Today's one of those days, you guys. If I'm completely honest, just between us pandas, this belt is really hurting my feelings right now. You know how some days you don't want something, you know, on your waist? You just don't want it. You want to wear stretchy pants. Today's one of those days, but you put on red lipstick and you shake it off. I don't know what I was thinking when I placed this haul. I knew I wanted more summer pieces, because as I was going through my closet, I needed inspiration for this haul, and I felt like everything that I had in my closet currently was t-shirts or tanks, and I was like, man, I need something else. I need something that's cute, girly, feminine, but also forgiving for summer. When I did a haul just recently for summer wardrobe, it was a lot of clothes that I could wear when I was around all my kids, you know, and I could play with them and I could go to the park, and it was comfortable. It was cute, but it was comfortable. So I wanted something where I was like, I want to feel a little pretty, a little girly, like this dress right now that's attacking my waist, which brings me to this dress. Electric coral is one of the ways to my heart. I wish electric coral lipstick looked good on me. It makes my teeth look better yellow, but I make up for it in every other area of my life, like clothing. This is a high-low linen wrap dress. I know that's a lot of information, but when you can see the dress on, it's higher in the front, lower in the back. It's the illusion of a wrap dress, but it's actually sewn in, so it's not, you can't just open it up. It also has a belt, but I love this little keyhole detail in the back, so it has a little peekaboo. I would still wear a nude bra with it, and even if it did show from here, it's like, look, if you're looking that hard, you deserve to see my bra strap, right? So it's not a dress that makes you wear a bra that's not comfortable. You could definitely pull off your regular bra. You also have to consider they have these little almost like wood details. It looks like coconut shell. You're gonna see the bra strap through there. So if you wanted to wear a strapless, you could. If you wanted to wear a backless, that for me is pushing it in comfort, but you could also do that as well if you didn't want it to show back here. But I just loved that it is the V cut. It has the illusion of being a wrap dress without the discomfort of a wrap dress. You guys, when I wear wrap dresses, the belt that holds it into place starts to get loose and then the dress starts to get loose, it's not a pretty sight. No one wants to see that, okay? No one wants to meet Flasher Dani. Moving on to the last dress. You guys, I don't know what I was thinking, but no regrets. No regrets. This is a chambray off the shoulder dress. Do you guys remember when like my entire wardrobe was off the shoulder? Please tell me you remember. Everything. Sweaters, t-shirts, everything was off the shoulder. Like, where did I shop for everything that was off the shoulder? Like, you needed it, I found it. Off the shoulder bra, sure, I got it. Wait, that's a strapless. Anyway, so this is an off the shoulder chambray dress. It's also midi length, which is super forgiving. It has the 2 slits in the front. The buttons are fully functional, so if you wanted to do 3 slits in the front, you could do that too, cochinas. I love that it's not super low cut in the front. So it is a comfortable dress, but it has that like hidden sex appeal to it. Plus, you know, chambray is my favorite color. Like, is that a thing? Chambray is not a color, but in my heart it is. You guys, if I had $1 for every time Parker or one of my boys said something about my love of overalls, I would be pretty comfortable woman right now, because every time that I put on overalls, my son either says, "You look like a farmer," or "You look like a minion." So there's that. And then every time I wear overalls, Parker, my fiance, says, "Oh, you're busting out the overalls. That's my girl." I don't know if he's teasing me or if the Louisiana boy in him is like, "Yeah, that's my fiance." I don't know. I still haven't figured it out. But regardless, no matter how much I get bullied on my love of overalls, they keep coming home with me. You guys, I love overalls. Overalls are the equivalent of stretchy pants in jeans for me. I probably have like 10 pairs of overalls. I might even go out on a limb to say that I have more overalls than I do pants. Is that bad? You guys, I love overalls. And you know what? I consider myself like a VIP overall connoisseur or wearer. I know what size, like what exact size to buy. I know how to take off the straps without letting them fall in the toilet. I know which ones are gonna fit slouchy and which ones are gonna fit sexy. I know which ones need to be rolled up. I know which ones to avoid because the knee hole, the distressing, is not gonna be my friend. I learned that just recently the hard way, but anyway. Overalls are one of my love languages. We need to call Barry Chapman and tell him to add that one to my list because, stretchy pants. Overalls are the new stretchy pants. This is a big statement, you guys. Sit down, grab a snack. This has been my favorite pair of overalls that I've ever purchased across retailers, not just JustFab, because I've purchased 3 from JustFab. Across all retailers, this has been my favorite pair of overalls that I've ever gotten. I went one size up. These are a 29. They have the buttons down the middle and they are a rose gold color. I love them. I love the length. I love the way they fit. I love the way the straps fall on my shoulders. I love that they don't have a pocket in the front because I tend to put things in that pocket and then that thing falls out and potentially breaks. I love the length. The distressing on the leg is on the perfect spot where I'm not going to further distress it or damage the size of the hole. But anyway, love letter to my JustFab overalls, you guys. All right, you guys, 2 more pieces and we're done, but you can't see them right here because they're on my feet. Bless you. Hey, come here. Do you want to show them my shoes? Do you want to show them my shoes? You're being so good. You're being so good. You're staying out of camera frame. Why don't you want to show them your pretty face? Huh? Do you guys see my little lovely assistant here? There's actually another lovely assistant down here. Come here. Come here. Ready? Oh my goodness. Oh, hey now. Hey now. What you doing? What you doing? Hey, say hi to your friends. Say hi to your friends. Say what up, y'all? You want to see my mama's shoes? We're almost done. We're almost done. You want to show them your shoes? I don't know if they're going to like our shoes, but you know what? I like my shoes, right? You like my shoes? All right, let's show them our shoes. The first pair of shoes that I got, well, I only got 2. Only. The first pair is this sandal. Oh, you guys, this sandal, these sandals, ESL moment. How lovely are these? I wore them in my weekend vlog last weekend. They're super comfy. The color is absolutely stunning. I'm a fan of nudes and I'm a fan of neutrals. I'm a fan of anything that is very, very, very neutral. However, if you can do neutral with a splash of fun, like blush, why not? These are super comfortable. I wore them for a very long time. All right, you guys, the last pair of shoes, the verdict is out. I'm in love. I love them. However, every person that has seen them has a strong opinion about them. So these are shoes that upon first impression, when you see them, you're like, ooh, wow, they're aggressive because they're platform sandals. But once you see them styled, you're like, I'll see where you're going with this, Dani. I love these because whether it's a midi skirt, a sundress, jeans, or a sundress, I already said that, overalls, yes, girl. And you know the best part about these platform sandals, you guys, is that the wedge is hollow. Have you guys ever heard those really loud, clanky platforms because they're so heavy because it's actually wood? These are not. So they are very light. And even though they're yellow, you guys would be surprised with the kind of stuff they look cool in. So that is, that's it for my JustFab haul, you guys. How many of you are secretly, internally judging me? How many of you are adding things to your cart? Tell me the truth. Don't lie. We're all friends here. Anyway, that is it for my JustFab haul. I'm really curious to see what your collection looks like. So I encourage you guys to check the link in the description box below so that you guys can head over to the JustFab website and find out what your style is. It's a style quiz. Do you guys remember the good old days of Cosmo when you would look forward to the mail? Like you'd run out to the mailbox and you'd take the Cosmo quiz that was in the back of the magazine? Those were the good old days. Do they still have those? I would sign up for Cosmo just to do those quizzes. They were so much fun. So let me know what your style is. And remember that if you guys like any of these pieces, they will be listed and linked in the description box below. But don't wait on purchasing those items because they do sell out quick and they do have a wait list for restocking items. So if you're looking for a waitlisted item, make sure you enter your email on that. You'll get a notification if it comes back in stock. But other than that, make sure you take advantage of that discount. And if you become VIP, you guys, free shipping for $39, just saying. $39 adds up real quick, you guys. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys.